Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, you guys. If you are new here, my name is Anna. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and let's jump into it. Okay guys, as you can see from the title today, I'm going to be comparing mascaras. I am going to be taking my Telescopic, comparing it to the IT Cosmetics Hello Lashes that just came out recently. It's one of their newest products, and I'm going to be letting you know what I think and which one wins, in my opinion. So if you are interested in watching this video, please just keep on watching. Start off, I have been using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara for years. I think it was my first mascara. I think it's been my favorite mascara since I can remember, and it's the one I always go back to. This is L'Oreal's Telescopic mascara in Carbon Black. I used the non-waterproof one. Like I said, I've been using it for many years. I think I've been using it since I was in high school.
I graduated in 2008, if anybody cares.
I think one of my favorite things about it is got to be the applicator. Okay, when you look at the wand, it's like a little comb. Okay, so it reminds me of like the old school mascaras where you would like comb on the product, and it just makes application super easy. I mean, you can hardly smudge it on your lids when you're putting it on. It makes applying it to the bottom lashes super easy because of the whole comb effect of the wand, and I just absolutely love that. It is very, very lengthening. Makes your lashes look super long. It doesn't clump because of the whole brush style that it is, so it doesn't have like the super bristly brush applicator, so it doesn't clump, and that's got to be one of my favorite things about it. Another thing, it is a drugstore product, so you can get it anywhere between $10 to $12, just depending on where you buy it, and it's available, like I said, pretty much anywhere. So yeah, that is the Telescopic L'Oreal IT Cosmetics Hello Lashes Plus. Okay, so I've always been very, very picky when it comes to mascara. I think mascara just completes a look. It's kind of like lashes. If you have the right mascara on, you might not even need lashes, and it makes the world of difference. Okay, let me read to you guys first what the product claims on the box itself. So it volumizes, it defines, and it has a gentle removal for less lash loss, and it's for soft cared lashes. It has a serum that helps prevent the lash loss when it comes to removal. And you guys, it's volumizing mascara with a lash care serum. Okay, this retails about $33, which I find it to be a little expensive if you ask me, but then again, I mean, I am talking about a $10 mascara that I normally buy, so $33 for the brand. I think it's worth it because IT Cosmetics goes above and beyond just the makeup. They apply ingredients that are beneficial for your skin. If it's a skin product, for your lashes, they have serums in them, and it's an above and beyond technology of just the product itself. Okay, so if we go into actually looking at the product itself, this is what it looks like. It comes in this pink packaging. I love the grip that the little wand has, because I kind of drop that one a lot. I think it's because it's skinny, it just falls out of my fingers a lot, but this one has a grip. And you guys, let me show you the applicator. Do you guys see that? Let me see if this focuses without all the colors. Okay, there you go. So obviously there's product in there because it's pretty new, but you guys, I fell in love with this applicator. It has a 360-degree tip, so you can tell it's like a little ball, and that makes it amazing to apply in the inner corners and the bottom lashes. It's just phenomenal. It is an amazing product. Okay, so as far as trying it out, I slept with it, I worked out with it, I wore it all day. It does have a 24-hour wear, and it lasts. It does last to 24 hours. It does not smudge. That is huge because my Telescopic, unfortunately, if I go to sleep with it, I will wake up with the whole product under my eyes. Not with this one, you guys. I wake up and it's like I still have mascara on, nothing happened. It comes off beyond easily. It kind of comes off like if it was fiber, so it comes off like the whole thing comes off. It's hard to explain, but it comes off very easily. It does not smudge, it doesn't stain your eye, and it's just an overall really good product. I am sad to say, but I think I am now team Hello Lashes. I still love my Telescopic, but I think if I was to run out and I need to go buy the product, I think I would probably most likely go for my Cosmetics Hello Lashes. Demo here of me applying it. I applied the Telescopic on my right eye, and I applied the Hello Lashes on my left eye, and it's insanely, you can totally tell the difference. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think of the product. Let me know if you want to try this. I will link both products in the description box for you, and I also have a like to know it, which I will be a little bit more active on there and try to add more products that are my favorite on there. If you have that app, go ahead and follow me on there as well, and on Instagram, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.